The Creative Editor is used to build email and landing page templates. The only difference between the editors is that the landing page editor includes the option to add field forms that are used to collect contact information. There are three main concepts here that will help you in your understanding of the editor: settings, rows, and content. Let's start with settings. These are the global settings that apply to this entire template. The settings you have here will apply to all the rows and content blocks you add to this document. For example, the font family here will automatically be applied when you add rows and content. If you wanted a different font in a particular content block, you would edit the font in that content block, like this. These global settings are helpful to build a uniform and consistent template very quickly. Now let's discuss rows. Here you will find different types of rows to insert into your design. Each row choice has a different column configuration. Using more than one column allows you to put different content elements side by side. Every row has its own settings, which gives you flexibility. For example, you can select a background for the entire row or set a specific column width within. Finally, let's talk about content. This section includes a series of tiles that represent different kinds of content you can add to your design. You can insert text, images, buttons, videos, and more. To use them, simply drag one of the tiles into a column and it will auto-adjust to the column width. Every content block has its own settings. Click in the content element and the right side panel automatically changes. Now you have a unique property panel for that selected content element. If you are building a landing page, you will want to insert a form. You will at least want to capture name and email, and you'll have a submit button. To add additional fields like address, phone, or other database fields, click here. When you are building a design, you can start with a pre-built template and make changes to make it your own. Or start from scratch with a completely blank slate.